Mastering maintenance strategies. Our maintenance strategy is a ticking time bomb, undermining our operational excellence. What is our organization's current maintenance strategy, and how does it align with its overall goals and objectives, ensuring that our maintenance approach optimally supports our operational excellence initiatives? To achieve operational excellence, it is essential to develop a comprehensive maintenance strategy that aligns with the organization's overall goals and objectives. This strategy should be designed to optimize maintenance activities, ensuring that they effectively support the organization's operational excellence initiatives. Firstly, it is crucial to assess the current maintenance strategy, identifying its strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, SWOT analysis. This evaluation will help determine the level of alignment between the existing maintenance strategy and the organization's overall goals and objectives. The assessment should consider factors such as maintenance philosophy: is it proactive, reactive, or a combination of both? Maintenance scope: does it cover all assets, or are some left unattended? Resource allocation: are resources, manpower, materials, and equipment allocated efficiently? Prioritization: are maintenance tasks prioritized based on asset criticality, risk, and business objectives? Performance measurement: are key performance indicators, KPIs, in place to measure maintenance effectiveness? Once the current maintenance strategy has been assessed, the organization can begin designing a revised strategy that aligns with its operational excellence initiatives. This revised strategy should be based on the following principles. 1. Asset management: implement a comprehensive asset management system that captures asset data, including maintenance history, performance, and reliability. This will enable data-driven decision-making and optimize asset utilization. 2. Reliability-centered maintenance, RCM: adopt an RCM approach to identify and prioritize critical assets, ensuring that maintenance activities focus on high-impact tasks that minimize downtime and optimize production. 3. Total productive maintenance, TPM: implement TPM principles to empower operators to take ownership of maintenance tasks, promoting a culture of ownership and accountability. 4. Condition-based maintenance, CBM: leverage advanced technologies, such as IoT sensors and predictive analytics, to detect potential failures and schedule maintenance accordingly, reducing unexpected downtime. 5. Root cause analysis, RCA: institutionalize an RCA process to identify and address the underlying causes of failures, ensuring that maintenance activities address the root causes rather than just symptoms. 6. Continuous improvement: establish a culture of continuous improvement, where maintenance processes and strategies are periodically reviewed and refined to ensure they remain aligned with the organization's operational excellence initiatives. 7. Training and development: provide operators and maintainers with the necessary training and development opportunities to enhance their skills and knowledge, ensuring they can effectively execute maintenance tasks. 8. Performance measurement and benchmarking: develop and track key performance indicators, KPIs, to measure maintenance effectiveness, using benchmarking to identify areas for improvement and optimize maintenance processes. 9. Collaboration and communication: foster collaboration and communication among maintenance, operations, and other stakeholders to ensure seamless coordination and effective problem solving. 10. Technology integration: leverage advanced technologies, such as computerized maintenance management systems, CMMS, enterprise asset management systems, EAMS, and mobile applications, to streamline maintenance processes, improve efficiency, and reduce costs. To ensure successful implementation of the revised maintenance strategy, the organization should develop a clear implementation roadmap, outlining milestones, timelines, and resource allocation. Establish a cross-functional team to oversee the implementation process, comprising representatives from maintenance, operations, and other key stakeholders. Provide regular training and coaching to ensure that all stakeholders understand the revised strategy and their roles within it. Continuously monitor and evaluate the revised strategy, making adjustments as necessary to ensure optimal alignment with the organization's operational excellence initiatives. By following this structured approach, the organization can develop and implement a comprehensive maintenance strategy that effectively supports its operational excellence initiatives, driving improved reliability, efficiency, and productivity.